First tonight, plans to end vaccine mandates in Florida. It's an announcement from Florida's Surgeon General that has many people buzzing tonight. I'm Summer Knowles.
And I'm Michelle Imparato. Currently, certain vaccines are required in Florida schools, but their vision is to change that. West 2's Haley Crumbleholm has reaction from districts in Central Florida.
Who am I as a government or anyone else, or who am I as a man standing here now to tell you what you should put in your body? Who am I to tell you what your child should put in your body?
Florida Surgeon General Dr. Joseph Ladapo announced Wednesday that the Florida Department of Health will be working with the governor to end vaccine mandates in Florida law, a decision that's sure to impact Florida's public schools, where kindergartners through 12th graders are required to have immunizations like those for measles, mumps, and rubella and Hep B. Wednesday, we reached out to the members of the Orange County School Board and heard back from member Stephanie Vanos.
I think it's extremely concerning what we're seeing. I don't know why the state would be taking a step back in terms of what we know about public health and why we would be really putting our students' health at risk and on the line.
Orange County Public Schools here released a statement Wednesday saying that staff will review and update health and safety protocols to make sure it is in compliance with state laws, something Marion and Volusia County Public Schools echoed. The president of the Florida chapter of the American Academy of Pediatrics released a statement Wednesday saying in part, "We are concerned that today's announcement will put children in Florida public schools at higher risk for getting sick, which will have a ripple effect across our communities." Governor Ron DeSantis said Wednesday he wants the state to integrate Make America Healthy principles that focus on things like individual medical freedom, informed consent, and parent rights. Folks we talked to in Central Florida had different thoughts on repealing requirements.
America is predicated on freedoms and freedom of choice, and I don't think that you're really free to have any medical decisions or bodily autonomy if you have to vaccinate your kid.
I think vaccines have proven to be really effective, a great tool in society to just help keep dangerous diseases in check, like polio, smallpox, measles, whooping cough, I mean, you name it.
Covering Orange County and Orlando, Haley Crumbleholm, West 2 News.
The governor said today to get rid of vaccine mandates, the state legislature will need to get involved to make it happen, so there are still more steps ahead.